Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are group 9 from Duelo Culinary 5. On this occasion, we would like to present our paper entitled Academic Competency Test. Beforehand, let's introduce ourselves. I am Dahlia Nurmalida Anggreni Putri, study number 11.
I'm Gisela Faza Siva, study number 16.
I am Kristi Astuti, study number 21.
Untuk jawaban nomor 1 itu ada 3 jawaban. Nah, untuk jawaban pertama yaitu Munduk Waterfall pada paragraf ketiga. He did not traveler find the scenic Munduk Waterfall the perfect place to relax, yaitu tujuannya untuk relaxation. Untuk yang kedua, West Bali National Park pada paragraf kedua. In the west lies West Bali National Park, a peaceful area, proses area Bali Starling, tujuannya conservation. Dan yang jawaban ketiga, Tegal Lalang Rice Terraces pada paragraf keempat. Near the cultural center Ubud, the famous Tegalalang Rice Terraces peaceful and inspiring skin, tujuannya untuk relaxation juga. Untuk jawaban kedua itu C. Stunning nature and remarkable shapes. Alasannya, the segmentally describe Bali natural attraction such as West Bali National Park, Munduk Waterfall, and Tegalalang Racetracks. It focus on the island's stunning landscape and remarkable shape, not only about culture of farming. Therefore, the best answer is. Untuk jawaban nomor 3, the statement Bali is full of natural beauty is best supported by 3 parts. Yang pertama, A. Green forest, calm mangrove swamp, and colorful coral reefs describe untouched natural landscape. Untuk kedua, C. Water flows gently over rocky cliff into a cool clear pool. Miss Rises show the calm of Bali's waterfall. Untuk jawaban ketiga, D. Miss Rises above the field and sunlight reflects of the water in the paddies highlights the beauty of Bali is racetrack. Jadi untuk jawaban nomor 4, the correct answer D is found in paragraph 2. in the sentence. Every morning I had to wake up early, arrive on time, and follow instructions carefully. So the waiter's morning routine is described in paragraph 2.
Jadi yang nomor 5 itu jawabannya ada 3, yaitu yang pertama A. Grateful and ready to help. Yang kedua C. Responsible and willing to learn. Yang ketiga yaitu D. Friendly and works well with others. Yang ke A itu menuliskan tentang hati-hati dan siap membantu. Saat permainan cedera, penulis cepat mengambil P3K. Yang C yaitu bertanggung jawab dan mau belajar. Ketika ia bangun pagi, datang tepat waktu dan mengikuti instruksi. Dan yang D, friendly and works well with others, itu di paragraf 4 pelatih menyoroti kekuatan dalam tim. Jadi jawaban yang nomor 6 itu adalah B, yaitu tentang seseorang mantan siswa kembali untuk menjadi juri di pameran sains, terkesan dengan proyek kreatifnya. Dan yang jawaban yang ke-7 yaitu adalah pilihan C. Penjelasannya adalah kalimat ini menunjukkan bahwa juri terkesan dengan pendekatan kreatif Sarah terhadap proyeknya, khususnya metodologinya yang merupakan aspek utama kreativitas.
Number 8. What will the reader most probably do in the next holiday? A. Apply for a job as a staff member with Mr. Anna. B. Volunteer again at the animal shelter. C. Adopt a new kitten from the shelter. D. Start a business selling pet food. A. Read a book about his or her experience. The correct answer is B. Volunteer again at the animal shelter. According to the text, the reader definitely wants to volunteer there again next holiday. This suggests that the reader plans to return to the animal shelter as a volunteer. The following text is for questions 9 and 10. My first time judged the school's campfire. Last month, I was invited to be a judge at my old junior high school's annual campfire. As a university science major, I was both honored and nervous. I remembered being a nervous participant in that same fair years ago. And now I was on the other side, evaluating the project of a new generation. The day began with an orientation from the head of the skins department, Mr. Davis. He explained the judge criteria: scientific, thought, creativity, clarity, and presentation. He emphasized that we should not only look for correct answers but also for original ideas and the students' passion for their topic. My nervousness grew. This was a bigger responsibility that I had imagined. The first few projects were impressive but fairly standard: a model volcano, a plant growth experiment with different fertilizers. Then I stopped at a pot run by a shy-looking girl named Sarah. Her project was titled "The Effect of Music Genre on Heart Rate." She had built a simple device to measure pulse and conducted experiments on her friends. Her methodology was clear, her take was well organized, and her passion was evident as she explained her hypothesis that classical music would be the most calming. I was strongly impressed by her enthusiasm and creativity. After deliberating with the other judges, we awarded Sarah first place. The look of pure joy and disbelief on her face was my highlight of the day. At the end of the event, Mr. Davis thanked us and said, "Remember, today we are not just judging project, we are encouraging future scientists." That statement changed my perspective. Entry, I realized my role was to critique but to nurture curiosity. It was a humbling and inspiring experience that I will never forget. Number 9. Which option best summarizes the entire text? A. A university student feels nervous while judging standard skills project like volcanoes and plant growth, but is released when the event is over. B. A former student returns to judge a science fair, is impressed by a creative project, and has a change in perspective about the purpose of encouraging young skins. J. The head of the skins department, Mr. Davis, gives a speech about the importance of scientific criteria to the judge of the school's annual science fair. D. A girl named Sarah wins first prize at the science fair for her project on music and heart rate, which makes her feel very happy and surprised. A. A university student is disappointed that the science fair project are not as advanced as he had hoped, and only one project is impressive. The best summary of the entire text is B. A former student returned to just a science fair, is impressed by a creative project, and has a change in perspective about the purpose of encouraging young scientists. This opinion captures the essence of the story, including the narrator's experience as a judge, their impression of Sarah's project, and the change in perspective they had after Mr. Davis' statement. Number 10. The text stated that the judging criteria, including scientific thought, creativity, clarity, and presentation, which detail from the text best supports the idea that the judge applied the criterion of creativity. The first five projects were impressive but fairly standard, a model volcano. B. He explained the judge criteria, scientific thought, creativity, clarity, and presentation. C. Her totally was clever, her data was well organized, and her passion was evident. D. After deliberating with the other judges, we awarded Sarah first prize. A. I was thoroughly impressed by her initiative and creativity. The detail that best supports the idea that the judge applied the criterion of creativity is C. Her methodology was clever, her data was well organized, and her passion was evident. This sentence shows that the judge was impressed by Sarah's creativity approach to her project, especially her methodology, which is a key aspect of culinary. Is there any question?
Alright everyone, that's all for our presentation today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Goodbye.